ice on the mic, bitch, even before teething. Stay hip-hop, even down to my semen. My sperm pop locks when the woofer start beating. Hot like a stolen Glock held by a heathen. Precise as a sniper in the Maryland region. Who as good as me? Jay Nice, dog, they reaching. I'm like Jordan in the 88 season. You're like Pippen, Hall of Fame in the league, friend. But Phil made you my sidekick for a reason. Ill how I keep the words and rhyme weaving. Real how the skill will leave the beat leaking. So keep dreaming, the crown you won't get it. Try to calm down, nigga, you're too pathetic. Fuck it, Twan said it, trilogy of MC. That was Jay-Z, Nasty, Nas, and I me.
I like the motherfucking soundproof Cooper. Y'all don't paint pictures, y'all all trace me. I like the motherfucking soundproof Cooper. Y'all don't paint pictures, y'all all trace me. I like the motherfucking soundproof Cooper. Y'all don't paint pictures, y'all all trace me. I like the motherfucking soundproof Cooper.
You weren't me, really?
Damn pity, these rappers really shitty. They virtual thugs, only shoot in Vice City. The other half say they floss like Jay-Z, when in actuality, they as broke as me. These dudes drop then flop, looking like a dunce. I'm in the back like Rat Nelson Muntz. My heart pumps 88, brain stuck in 94, bitch. Now you understand why I rhyme so raw. Twist metaphors, more clever for your pleasure. Twan Freeman, excellence beyond measure. These whores on the mic, acting like the force with them. I hit them with the venom, now they screaming like a Wookie. I'm the epitome of what you rappers should be. Critically acclaimed, but overlooked the same. Makes me the Don Cheadle of this here rap game, while y'all talking that gaga like some fucking lames.
I like the motherfucking soundproof Cooper. Y'all don't paint pictures, y'all all trace me. I like the motherfucking soundproof Cooper.
You weren't me, really?
I like the motherfucking soundproof Cooper. Y'all don't paint pictures, y'all all trace me. I like the motherfucking soundproof Cooper.
You weren't me, really?
Every rhyme I wrote is an historical note. To older white folk, it's like when Lennon got smoked. I write adrenaline as if Rakim was penning them low. It's guaranteed that I ain't no joke. You niggas be killing me, cause you swear that you dope. You just paraphrasing rhymes that Pac already wrote. So what? You got a Glock and an ounce of coke, good stick to moving weight. Cause a rapper you ain't. AJ, they say I hate, but I'm just being honest. Does this verse offend you? Then your shit must be garbage. Simple fact, homie. Cats know how the flow be. I'm what you wanna see, like Young Mike versus Kobe. The one and only Chicagoland mic fighter. Twan bitches, your favorite rapper's ghostwriter. Mic igniter. Description of my MO is top 5, and I've only dropped the demo.